reason why I want to record this video. That is a room above garage. It's cold compared with all other bedrooms. I got my strips. Let's take a look. Is it enough? If not, I'm gonna get to the store to get more. I use Loctite foam board glue, bought from Home Depot. I didn't know exactly how many of those cans I have to buy, or tubes. Especially, I just finished one board on my garage. I used probably 40% of it. I glued this board yesterday. Seems like it's working. Feels like gum. Just look good. Before you get this panel installed, you have to take and unscrew these pre-installed bolts for hinges. I already did for this panel, so basically because they are sticking out and it's very inconvenient to get inside it, so we're gonna get more room. By removing them like this. What I do, I just get this strip, pre-cut, and try to remove one piece after another. Depth for this door is 1 inch and 3/4. I bought 1 inch foam and extra 3/4 just regular Artec foam to make it perfect fit without any kind of space between it. I try to apply this evenly on each corner and on the side and try to glue it. Of course, I see some metal pins sticking out. I'll try to do some cuts over here, get perfectly fit for the metal. Right now I'm trying to apply glue. Sorry, recording at the same time trying to glue like this. You can put some dots if you want, but like this. But it's cold outside and it's not flexible. And glue. Some people they are trying to clean area before gluing. This garage door is brand new, so I just wipe it off out of dust, and it's enough for me. Okay, this one I glued yesterday, and these are I'm gluing right now. Tomorrow I'm gonna glue the rest of it. So I glue all those sticks. You see pattern? I didn't have enough for 1, 2, 3, 4 panels. And I'm thinking what I'm gonna do on the glass panels. I'll figure it out that later. But you see pattern, how to do that stuff. You apply glue. First of all, you have to try to fit this in like this. Make it angle, make it fit in the right side perfectly, slowly. Do not make a rush, it's not gonna glue all things at once. And after that, make a pressure to make it fit. I forgot about these screws. Before you apply, you have to remove them. Be sure you have a room. And after that, continue the pressure. Here we go. Perfect. So right now you have to apply it on the top and slowly, step by step, inch by inch. Here you just make a pressure, make it fit. Do not try to break it. You can try to do knife or something like that, but I feel that way with my fingers. Okay, so slowly apply pressure on the bottom. Perfect. I decided to cover my windows and had an idea how to use foil. I'm using it for edges for these panels. Try to make sure that it's even and look good. So like this. In this case, all this styrofoam, it's not gonna be ruined by a single action. Okay, so I got two pieces. It's for more convenient way to get in there, and I wrap around edges to make them more sturdy and more convenient to install these panels inside. So what I've done, I just got the right size, push it down, move it, I secured it, and another panel, up, and it's very hard because it's new, but usually I've tried to make it perfectly fit inside of the groove, like this, like that, like this. Move it forward. So, and if I decided to get them out there, it's not permanent glued, so it's just secured if it's cold or hot. And if I decided to open space, it's gonna be open. That's it.